As road vehicles become progressively automated with systems such as cruise control, lane keeping, and automated braking and parking controls, more tasks are taken out of the driver's hands. While only 16.5% of Australians live in rural areas, deaths on rural roads account for an astounding 65% of the national road toll, and several studies attribute 10 to 20% of all road accidents to be fatigue-related. This has become an increasing problem in recent years, as the autonomous systems induce passive task-related fatigue for many drivers. This fatigue is attributed to the persistent lack of new stimuli on long road journeys. Fatigue is particularly dangerous and contributes to the road accidents by increasing identification and response time to hazards, contributing to momentary lapses in consciousness known as microsleep, and reducing a driver's motor skills, judgment, and decision-making. The solution lies within being able to introduce a change in stimuli for the driver, whilst on long monotonous stretches of road. This change will be introduced through the auditory sense in the form of short tones being played from a dash camera throughout the journey, in particular where there are isolated sections of road. Noise can be categorized into different colors, with white being the combination of all frequencies and pink noise being louder at low and softer at high frequencies. Further research will need to be conducted to conclude the right selection for this product. Frequency and volume of these sounds will be customizable on the accompanying mobile application. The technology of the camera has potential to develop into a detection device for portions of the trip that lack environmental stimuli. In terms of dash camera and app combination that attacks passive fatigue, there are none currently on the market. The current apps exist play preset alarm-like notifications. The integration of a dash camera is extremely useful as it has a potential to additionally warn the driver of other potential hazards such as animals on country roads. The target market is quite large and includes anyone taking long trips such as truck drivers, taxi drivers, and people taking long holiday trips. There are currently 200,000 truck drivers in Australia and an astounding population of 3.5 million in the US. The main revenue streams include the initial transaction of the dash camera unit and accompanying app. Add-ons will also be included in the mobile app. Licensing from truck companies also make up this figure. Startup costs will be quite large initially, taking into account unit manufacture, research and development, and advertising. An initial estimate figure comes to $30,000, and the breakup is shown on the screen. In order to progress, steps need to be taken in product development and testing, as well as gaining more insight into the customer base and product market. Thank you for listening.